Let's take a look at the new location angle feature in Storyboarder AI. Go to the location editor and select the location used for this scene. Right now, our location is set to based on description reference. Since we haven't added a very detailed description here, the background can vary a little from shot to shot. Instead, let's use this preview image as our fixed visual reference. Select the image and click Generate Angles. Storyboarder AI will now create 4 different camera angles based on that exact location image. Once you activate an image as your reference, you'll also notice that the toggle on the right automatically switches to based on image reference. That means this image is now used as the fixed visual reference for the location, giving you much more consistency across your storyboard. Now, click through the 4 newly generated camera angles and choose the one you like best as the default location image for this scene. Before we start assigning individual angles to specific shots, let's quickly go back to the storyboard and refresh our shots. And there we go. You can see that the kitchen now follows the location reference we just selected, giving the scene a much more consistent look. But you're not limited to using the same angle for every shot. Let's click Edit on one specific shot. Here, you can override the default location image and choose one of the other angles we generated earlier. Let's select this one, save it, and hit Refresh. And there it is. The new shot is now generated using the location angle we selected specifically for this shot. So with the new location angle feature, you can create multiple perspectives of one consistent environment, set a default location reference for an entire scene, and easily override it with a different angle for individual shots. A simple way to keep your locations consistent while still giving every shot the exact perspective you need.